Hey guys, nice to see you again. It is a workday morning and I'm back from my wedding on the mainland and I'm about to go for a paddle, get my arms in shape. But it's a gorgeous day. I just had to show you how beautiful it is today. There we have it. And I got this great board and it's on my Amazon shopping cart if any of you like them, but it's good for me because I'm not a high tech surfer. I just like to go out here and paddle. So I like to do this bay right here, and it's just a nice way to refresh and reboot for the day. And I just want to say thank you for following my YouTube channel. Mia Roller, you're always great shouting out, and all the others. I read all your emails and your texts and your comments. And anyway, I do have more content planned. It's just been so busy at the store. Those Danner boots are flying and my shoe repair is super busy. But I do have some fun stuff I can't wait to put out, and I will also include some pictures from our wedding. It was really fun, and anyways, I really appreciate you guys, and thank you, and aloha from Maui.